Hi friends, welcome to penos.in. In today's video, we are going to make a short review on Click Blackboard Fountain Pen. And this is the outer box. Each pen comes with this box. And it is made in India from Maharashtra. Here I am taking this out. Yeah. This is a black color, black and gold marble finished one. And in the trim set portion, you will find a golden color clip here. And here there is a golden color ring design is here, and the brand's name Click was stamped here. Here there is a window in which you can find the ink's level inside this pen. This is number 5.5 nib, and for this pairs you can find in our site. For that you can click pen pairs in our site and then go to nibs. There you can find the use a filter, and if you have any query there, you can make a query in our site itself. And maximum usually pen enthusiast will swap with candid nibs, and where you can find have a fine, medium, broad nibs, again with golden, dual tone and silver plated nibs. Also fine, we have flex nibs also, and you can swap as your wish. And the ink filling system here is the eyedropper one. Please apply silicone grease or Vaseline over the threads whenever you are filling the ink, and fill the ink up to this inner threads, because if you fill above that you will get overflow, and where your hands will spoil with the inks by leakage. And one of the important thing in maintaining a fountain pen, importantly in eyedroppers, are you have to wash this regularly, at least that is twice a month, because whenever you're using inks like a dye based ink, they will precipitate on the long run, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so it will get a scratchy writing. It is a sign, and slowly ink will dry quickly. Then you may have to shake your pens uh, for the ink flow, like this, and I think you may experience this. The reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean the deposited and dried dirts, please remove the feeder unit and the nib separately by holding this nib and feeder together and twist and pull again. Okay, this is a simple process, and you can easily fit also, and you can easily fix this also. This is the simply 2 minutes process. Then you can flush the feeder with the help of a toothbrush, or you can clean it with a running tap water, or you can soak this for at least for 1 hour in soap waters. So then you can brush and clean this easily. So this is an important maintaining, and this short times process will take this will take a short time, so this will give a long run good life to your fountain pens. And whenever you are whenever you're cleaning with water, or otherwise whenever you are filling the ink in the barrel, use a silicone grease or a Vaseline over this thread portion, inner thread portion. And the another important thing is nib tune, fine tune, because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so you have to push and pull this gently, like you can use your nails or short blades. Push this and pull this. So this is a simple process where you can get a space for the ink to flow, and in turn you will get a smooth writing too. And please ensure both lines are in parallel, so if not you will get a scratchy writing. And we used to do this whenever we are dispatching of any products, we used to check before every dispatch. And here I'm going to give a writing sample. For today's writing, I'm going to use our emerald green ink. And dipping underneath the excess. Yeah. The ink flow is equal and the nib is so smooth like butter. Yeah. The writing is so good. This is a perfect workhorse pen. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can contact us on WhatsApp. We are there to respond to you at any time. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.